In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create and optimize a personal monthly budget. I start by asking ChatGPT to act as my personal budget planning assistant to help me stay organized and track my finances. It immediately provides a clear, structured template that breaks down income, fixed and variable expenses, and long-term financial goals. This layout is perfect because it makes it easy to see exactly where my money is going while offering helpful sections for insights and optional add-ons. Next, I provide my specific financial details, asking for a professional monthly budget based on a $4,000 income after tax. ChatGPT generates a comprehensive plan that allocates specific dollar amounts for categories like housing, transportation, and utilities. The result is a balanced budget that covers all my essentials while still managing to set aside $600 for my savings. This gives me a clear look at my remaining balance and provides useful insights into my current spending habits. Now, I want to get a bit more aggressive with my savings, so I ask ChatGPT to rewrite the budget with a goal of saving an additional $500 per month for an emergency fund. It responds by highlighting exactly where I can cut back, specifically targeting flexible categories like dining out, entertainment, and personal spending. This updated version successfully shifts my focus toward wealth building, showing me that I can reach a $10,000 emergency fund goal in just 9 months. By fine-tuning these numbers and categories, I can create a sustainable and highly effective financial roadmap that fits my lifestyle perfectly. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.